Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. So today I'm just going to give a daily vlog, and right now I'm cooking the eggplant. I'm gonna do a grocery haul as well and post that one. So I got a lot of eggplants, so I'm cooking the eggplants. The eggplant, I have shared the recipe. I just use 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Into that I cut up a large eggplant on circles. You can cut up any way you want, and then I'm going to cover it up, but make sure your flame is very low because you don't want to burn it. So now I'm keeping like that. I'm gonna cook it like 10 to 15 minutes until they're like soft, but not mashed potatoes, okay? So soft, and but they still hold their shape. They might be a little bit soggy. So my eggplant is ready and it's cooked in only 1 teaspoon of olive oil. It tastes really awesome. And ginger garlic, but this is for chicken. I'm cooking for my friend. So I'm going to share that recipe as well. It's a little bit hard for me to cook meat, fish and egg because I don't eat them, but I do cook for friends and family. So I'm going to show you the recipe as well. So as you can see, I put my chicken, 4 pieces of leg chicken, and some potatoes, and I'm going to add to it some spices, but about 5 minutes later I'll cover it and cook for 5 minutes, and then I'll add the spices and then some cilantro leaves on top. You can add tomatoes, but I'm not gonna add tomatoes because the person I'm making it for does not like tomatoes. So I have added some spices to this. I have added garam masala and spicy chicken curry masala and salt and turmeric and some cilantro leaves. So I'm just going to cook it. I might add a half cup of water and cook it in slow heat until it's fully cooked, about 20 minutes. So I have added 1 cup of water and I'm going to just simmer it, cook it for 15 minutes. So the chicken is ready for my friend and it looks okay. I guess it looks amazing. So I'm going to share the recipe. It's very simple yet very tasty. But I don't eat it, so I'll have to have someone else taste it for me. So here's the chicken and it looks amazing. I'm sure it tastes amazing too. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye.